Hey coaches, so today I'll be showing you what you can do on the profile of your individual contact record page. So as you can see on the right hand side of the dashboard, you can see that CoachVantage actually reminds you of your client's birthday for the next upcoming 3 months. So you can use this as a customer service tool where maybe during their birthday you'll send them a gift or a check-in note wishing them a happy birthday. So you can do that and key in their birthdays via their profile on the individual contact record page. So how do you access it? You go to the contacts tab. So you'll be on the contacts page. Select the client that you'd like to access. So while on the individual contact record page, which is this page over here, click the profile tab. And now you can make changes to the client's profile. So for example, the contact types, maybe you're no longer working with this client, so instead of a current client, you can change them to the past client or prospect, depending on what type of contact type they have become. Okay, and then you can also change the email of the client. So, for example, during contact creation, you may have accidentally keyed in the wrong email. So, when you tried to send an invite for them to create their client portal, it didn't go through. So, you can go ahead to go on to their profile and change the email to the correct email you have of theirs, and then the client invite would go through that, and then they can create their own client profile. Now maybe your clients have moved and they are now in a different time zone and you like to update it, you can go ahead and click this and then a drop down bar, just change it accordingly. So for example, maybe Atlantic Standard Time, and this is the date of birth. So you can go ahead and key in their date of birth, and then CoachVantage will remind you if their birthdays is coming in the next 3 months. Okay, and after you've made such changes, you have to remember to click save. Okay, then the profile would then be updated. Now, if the default fields of information that CoachVantage have provided for you does not match your coaching style and the information you usually like to have on your clients, you can go ahead and add in a custom field. Now, you have to note that adding a custom field will apply to all contact profile, not just this one, which means all your contact profile would then have this new custom field that you've just added, which means you don't have to go to every individual contact and add in a custom field, which is splendid. So just click add custom field, and then for example, I like to keep track of my clients' MBTIs, and I'll click save, and then the new field will be populated, and you can go ahead and key in the information as per usual. So INFP, I'll click save, and my profile has been updated. Just like that. Now, if you don't want it anymore, if you like to make edits to this new custom field, go ahead and click this edit icon over here, and you can change the field name or just delete it in general. Okay, and do note that deleting it, just like adding it, would do it and update it with your entire list of contacts. So it's just a good thing to note. And there you have it. That's all for profile on your individual contact record page. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.